guys, welcome back to our channel. I want to start this video with a quite interesting question. Have you ever thought of the world from a philosophical perspective? Maybe you think the world is heavily dependent on spiritual beliefs and we need to live according to various rules of etiquette, or you do not believe in the existence of a soul and accept our existence as a consequence of the great harmony our bodies have instead.
Well, if you have the second perspective regarding a philosophical standpoint, you most probably can identify yourself to be a materialist. Materialist idea suggests that the only thing our reality stands on is matter, and nothing else such as soul or spirit exists. This means that any belief in a spirit above a substantial system is against the base of materialism. Materialism itself cannot be uncovered in only one video though, specifically since it has many branches and depended on topics to explain in order to provide essential information. One of those branches is called mechanic materialism. Mechanic materialism suggests that the entire universe only consists of hard, stone-like substances, and there exists nothing other than this, such are our minds. However, we currently acknowledge that the universe mostly consists of materials such as protons, electrons, neutrons, or mesons, and these are not stone-like matters. The second branch to uncover is physicalistic materialism. This type extends the idea of materialism to include basic matters such as energies, like proton. The supporters of this idea mostly suggest that extending the idea of materialism to include elementary particles does not acknowledge the existence of our minds, nor does it deny the idea of materialism, since having a philosophical perspective extended by the scientific truth is not a counter-argument. The third branch of materialism is called emergent materialism. Emergent materialism suggests that the entire universe consists of physical materials. However, there exist special laws that apply to entities like human cells and brain-like structures. Still, this type of materialism can also be divided into several separate roots, and many people with similar roots to this idea tend to not identify themselves as materialists. An example of this idea is the idea of Hillozoism, or the idea supporting the existence of vital characteristics to all matter. And another example can be the idea of panpsychism, the idea that suggests the existence of a mind-like structure for all material within the universe. Following this branch, the next branch to uncover is epiphenomenalism, an idea suggesting that there indeed are sensations and feelings for living creatures. However, those reactions in their essence are completely dependent on the material world, and the existence of spiritual work is not a requirement for sensations or feelings to exist. According to epiphenomenalism, the sensations are just like the shadow of a building. You can observe the shadow of a building, however you also know that there is a material, an object that blocks the sunlight for the shadow to be seen properly. The basic meaning that is reminded of most people when they hear the word materialism is also the one we will talk about the last: dialectical materialism. Dialectical materialists simply think that mental issues and perceptions are dependent on the material issues and rules, thereby suggesting a connection between the material world and the mental world.
Materialism is not simple enough to be explained in this short of a time frame and includes a lot more to uncover. However, it seems to be enough to talk about for now. Thanks for watching our video, misters and mistresses. It contributes to our success a lot and motivates us for further content. Anyway, for now, I feel no hesitation to tell you that it was Hefsel times.